Everybody, it's Joni, and I just wanted to share some thoughts with you about the challenge. Now, I know most of you have seen me posting about this stuff, this online marketing and how to grow your business and do the challenge. And I just wanted to give it a further explanation because I also wanted to say why I'm so passionate about this thing. For years, I would say at least 10 years, I have been trying to grow my business online. And I've wanted to have that idea of having residual income has been so alluring, especially having been a single mom all these years. I just wanted to be able to have that time freedom, financial freedom to do what I need to do with my kids. And so I also, in trying to figure that out, I joined every network marketing company under the sun. And some of you are probably laughing right now because you're like, yep, I know she did. I was with her when she did that. And I did it because I always wanted to figure out, maybe this company will work, or maybe this product will be something that I could get passionate about. And, I have had some success. In one of my companies, I did have about 1,300 reps and customers in my organization without a whole lot of effort, but that's not my point. My point is that I've always wanted to learn how to do marketing online because I have gotten to the point where I could not ask one more friend or family member to look at my business or my products. And I'm sure that if you're in network marketing, you're in the same boat. And also, if you have thought about affiliate marketing, if you're just, trying to promote an affiliate offer and you're driving traffic to it and you're just like not getting the results, it's frustrating. So, anyway, back to the challenge. What I have discovered with this is the answer to a prayer. It has been 10 years, like I said, of me searching and searching and trying this and trying that to figure out, break the code basically on how to get people to see my product or my website. So, what I'm learning in the challenge is little bit sized, we call them a success pill. You take your success pill every day. And what that is it's training. It's a daily training on your mindset, a daily training on marketing, and some action steps that go along with it. And if you do not have action behind everything that you're trying to do, you will just be sitting. And so many times people don't take action because they just don't know what to do. So the challenge is taking me from day 1 to day 2 to day 3. I'm actually on day 28 right now and hoping to finish up day 29 today. And it is something that is like when you need something, when you feel like you need something inside to say, you can do this. Vic Strauss, are my mentor that's doing the challenge for us, that has created the challenge, is the person that is like, you can do this. I've got you. You can do one more day. Let's do this together. Now, how many times have you found a mentor that says, hey, I'm going to take your hand and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this? And then they actually do that. So I am super excited about the results that I'm getting in only 28 days. And I've got, 3 levels of this challenge to go through. So if you want to learn and you don't have any experience and you have a lot of self-doubt that you can even do this, I'm begging you to just try. The challenge is $1 for 7 days. And in those 7 days, you're going to get more information and training that you've ever had. I guarantee it. So do me a favor, click on the link below, sign up for the challenge for $1 and do it for 7 days. And I bet after 7 days, you will be amazed at how things can transform your life. So anyway, click on the link below and I hope to see you in the back.